Hello all and welcome to Gonomics. Today I will be showing you how to install your Mousepad edition. Please follow general practices for safety and always follow all manufacturers' safety guidelines. Your product may vary slightly from the examples shown here. You will need your L bracket, mouse platform, and small hardware bag, which contains one long flathead bolt, washer, and lock nut, as well as smaller screws and washers, which are all provided. For tools, you will need safety glasses as well as a Phillips screwdriver. It is always important to be safe when handling tools. Please wear your safety glasses and be careful when using this equipment. First, screw the long flathead bolt into the side of the mouse platform and to the center screw hole. Next, use the smaller screws and lock nuts to attach the L bracket with platform into the slot on the side of the laptop tray.
You may want to use an adjustable crescent wrench to help tighten.
Thank you for choosing the Mousepad edition as your solution, and be sure to check out our other videos and socials. Go Gonomics!